Hey there, welcome back to another video. Spring is in full force in London and we're going to take full advantage of it in this video. Follow along as we go for brunch, enjoy an Aperol Spritz surrounded by flowers, thrift and paint. We started the day in Dalston. There's a cafe I've been eyeing for a while and it was finally time to visit it. The cafe is a roastery for all espresso. It's actually their base to distribute coffee in the UK and even in Europe. I ordered an iced latte, my favorite drink on warm days, and breakfast food. We also snatched a pack of beans to try to recreate the taste of the coffee at home. Another reason I wanted to check this coffee place was their outdoor space. But of course on such a day it was busy, but we were still able to sit next to this beautiful window with a view of the garden, the next best thing. While in the area, I decided to check out a few thrift stores. I visited 2 this time around. I didn't end up buying anything, but I still enjoyed rummaging through the aisles looking for treasures. I was hoping to find a nice jean jacket, but couldn't find one to my liking. Before heading back home, we took the opportunity to visit the Dalston Curve Garden, which is just in front of the Dalston Junction Overground station. The garden was full of color and scents with narcissus, tulips and other spring bulbs popping up in every corner. This flower heaven in the middle of a bustling area is the perfect spot to enjoy a nice drink and a sweet treat. In this case, an Aperol Spritz and a cheesecake. Being in the garden made me want to get some flowers for the flat. I think tulips are one of my favorite flowers at this time of the year, especially when they have this pale pink color. I have been wanting to make madeleines for a few days now, and it was the perfect time to do so. I always have a soft spot for madeleines, they remind me of home. We did not invent these small sponge cakes, but legends say that they were invented in the east of France. However, we do have one of the best madeleine industry in France in Normandy, so it's a pastry that's usually on the table for afternoon snacks or goûter as we call it in French. I also like the fact that they are individual cakes and I can easily freeze some of them for a later day. Following my baking, I was in a crafting mood and decided to take my paintbrushes out. I saw a design on Pinterest that I wanted to replicate. I wasn't able to exactly reproduce it, but the overall theme, which was like abstract sea, was still there. I do like the style of the painting, though to be honest I'm not really happy with my execution and I might redo it at some point. To finish the day, we enjoy a nice pizza date at home while watching Bullet Train, the perfect way to end this spring day in London. I hope you enjoyed coming along, and I'll see you in the next video.